To change your ringtone for incoming calls, press the menu button located at the bottom of your phone. Now select Settings. Select Sound. To change your phone ringtone, we're going to press Phone Ringtone. If you would like to change your tone for incoming text messages or alerts, select Notification Sound, located here. Both of these require the exact same steps. So now I'm going to show you how to change your incoming ringtone. Select Phone Ringtone. A list of ringtones will appear on your screen. If you touch a ringtone, it will briefly preview that ringtone for you. When you find a ringtone that you like, select the Apply button located here, while that ringtone has a green dot to the right of it. And that will be your new ringtone. You can change it at a later time if you'd like. Now press the Home button to return you back to your home screen. And you've successfully changed your ringtone.